In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit macros in Zendesk, a task that can greatly enhance your workflow and make your customer service processes more efficient. Editing macros allows you to refine and customize automated responses, ensuring they meet the specific needs of your team and your customers. Let's dive into the steps to edit these macros effectively. We'll begin by accessing the macros list within the Admin Center. First, navigate to Workspaces, then Agent Tools, and finally select Macros. Here, you'll find various tabs: All Macros, Shared Macros, Personal Macros, and Inactive Macros. Each tab categorizes macros according to their usage and status, helping you locate them more efficiently. Having these categories ensures your workspace remains organized and easy to navigate. Once you're in the macros list, your next task is to locate the specific macro that you want to edit. You can use the search bar for a quick search or browse through the list. This method gives you the flexibility to find the macro either by name or by manually scrolling through. Once you've located the macro, hover over it to reveal the options menu, usually represented by 3 dots or a gear icon. This menu is your gateway to various actions you can take on the macro. Now that you've selected a macro, you have a few options. You can choose to edit, clone, or even deactivate it. Let's talk about editing first. When you select Edit, you can modify the title, the actions like comments and status changes, tags, and even updates to assignees. Visibility settings can also be updated to control who can access and utilize this macro. Alternatively, you might consider cloning the macro, which creates an identical copy. This option is particularly useful if you want to make changes without affecting the original macro. Lastly, you can deactivate or delete outdated macros. Keep in mind that a macro must be deactivated before you can delete it, ensuring that unnecessary content doesn't clutter your workspace. While you're in the Edit view, there are additional modifications you can make to fine-tune your macro. You might decide to change the title or the description to better represent the macro's purpose. Updating actions is crucial. You can edit comment templates, adjust ticket statuses, or add followers, tags, and assignees. For a more dynamic macro, leverage rich text formatting, embed images, or even attach files. These tweaks can add clarity and depth, making your macros more comprehensive and useful. Once you're satisfied with your edits, the final step is to save your changes. Click the Save button, or if you've cloned the macro, click Create. Your updated macro is now available, functioning according to its designated visibility settings. And there you have it, a streamlined process to edit macros in Zendesk, making sure your team can deliver responsive and personalized customer service experiences.